What up, guys? We're out of my shop. Been working on the S10 a little bit. Got my training cooler line right here. Haven't really got much done. Been working on some other things, and we got a little bit of snow. We don't really get much snow down here in Texas, and so I decided to take a break and go play around. Don't really have anything rear-wheel drive that I would really enjoy taking out in the snow, except for a couple things. Got my ramp truck and my other truck, but decided to take the big truck out. Go see how that did. So we'll check that truck out when it's a little bit more daylight, a little less snowy outside. But hope you enjoyed the video. Just give us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. You want to stay up to date on some stuff. And peace.